How's it going here, future voters of Sean Gannon, future President of the United States of America? And again, another beer review. We got the Firestone Brewing Company's Hopnosis IPA, if you can see that right there. Okay. And let's go see what it says online about it here. So it's 6.7% ABV. IBUs are 45. Color is 5. Interesting. I don't know what that is. Hopnosis is an innovative IPA brewed with coveted cryo hop pellets. We double dry hop this beer with varieties from the U.S. and New Zealand, creating an explosion of tropical fruit flavors, including mango, passion fruit, white grape, and lychee, Lychee. Anyway, hops in the kettle: Simcoe, Talos, Calista. Dry hopped: Mosaic, Cryo, Idaho 7, Eldorado, Cashmere, Nelson Sauvon, and Riwaka. I'm assuming those are the New Zealand ones. Malt: simple 2-row wheat, carapils, and in Munich. It says here, cryo hops are the most innovative, in-demand hops available. Interesting. They are made by collecting the concentrated lupulin from whole leaf hops, which contains all of the resins for bitterness and aromatic oils. Cryo hops are designed to provide intense hop flavor and aroma, enabling us to efficiently produce a highly delicious and more sustainable beer. Thank you, Matt Brindleson. All right. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, it sounds tasty. Let's see how it smells. Smells tasty. Let's see how it tastes. Can you guess? It tastes tasty. Let's see what I'm smelling though. I mean, it's fruity. You can smell the fruitiness there. And hoppy. What's the fruitiness we're supposed to get here? Mango, passion fruit, white grape, and I don't know what lychee is. I can smell the white grape. Not really getting the mango or passion fruit. I don't know what lychee is, if I'm pronouncing it right. Who knows? But the white grape, maybe I think I'm getting that. I don't know. Maybe. But yeah, it's a pretty decent IPA. It's the dry hopping. I definitely can tell the dry hoppiness there. It's like pretty bitter as far as IPAs go. Not too malty. It's not a complex malt. It's a simple malt, which I like in a beer. Yeah, Hopnosis. I mean, it's like your standard IPA. Nothing too fancy about it. It has sometimes the bitterness lingers on your tongue afterwards, which I don't necessarily like the most. Where it lingers too long, almost like a semi-stale taste, but that's like just a minor little blip in the beer. But on that, it's a pretty decent IPA. A good amount of hops, malty, not too much. Yeah, it's a simple IPA, 6.7%. I'll get you going. So I'll give it a Sean score here, which really means nothing. I'll give it a 4 out of 5, I think. It's still a decent IPA. I like it. If it wasn't for that little bitterness that lingered a little too long after you have the beer, I get a little higher, but I give it a 4 out of 5 for this beer. So I'm going to finish this beer, and I'll see you later, future voters. This is Sean Gannon, future President of the United States of America, signing off.